Watch the heavy machine tear through a massive tree, its sharp chainsaw cutting like a beast. Incredible power, effortlessly conquering each log. Are you ready for the show?
Stand up.
Wow, that's truly fascinating and clever. Arranging small pieces of wood into a unified block helps to evenly distribute the force when sawing, making the process incredibly quick and time efficient. Oh, this truck carrying a load of wood has completely overturned. People are trying to rescue and pull the truck back upright. It seems that the slippery, snow-covered road has significantly impacted the wood transportation process. Wow, look at him cutting down that giant tree. I bet it would take a lot of people to wrap their arms around it. Felling such a tree is incredibly challenging and difficult. Yet watching the process of cutting down a tree always leaves us with a sense of fulfillment, like witnessing a majestic moment. Oh my God, that's quite high. This is the perspective of someone cutting a tree from up above. Everyone. The old logging machine sits silently amidst the snowy forest, hauling timber in freezing conditions where temperatures can drop to tens of degrees below zero, demands advanced techniques and meticulous preparation to ensure both safety and work efficiency. The extreme cold makes mechanical components more prone to damage than usual. Engine oil can thicken significantly, reducing its lubrication efficiency. The MAN TGX 510 truck is equipped with a powerful engine boasting up to 510 horsepower, a figure sure to captivate anyone passionate about mechanical engineering. Its dual-axle drive system and advanced engine management technology enable the truck to maintain high torque at low RPMs. This feature is crucial for navigating challenging, rugged terrains without losing traction or pulling power. The boom arm of the DX A530 is made from high-strength steel, capable of withstanding significant pressure and offering excellent wear resistance. This is essential for forestry operations. The DX A530's 360-degree rotation capability allows it to work flexibly even in confined spaces. To handle massive tree trunks, the outdoor sawmill is equipped with a gigantic saw blade. This blade is typically made of high-quality alloy steel to maintain sharpness over time. Outdoor sawmills are often powered by high-capacity engines, designed to operate continuously for hours without a drop in performance. The key factor that enables this machine to move through muddy terrain without sinking is its large wheels with a wide diameter and broad surface area. Wow, truly powerful and majestic. Let's take a close-up look at the cutting machine of the Harvester 1270G. As the tree trunk is fed in, the shaft system grabs the wood and cuts it into smaller pieces, creating a continuous and efficient process. The larger the trunk, the more the crushing blades unleash their power, transforming it into small fragments or sawdust. depending on the intended end. Wow, this is the process of clearing a tall tree near a house. The process involves cutting the branches first, followed by the sections of the tree trunk. They don't fell the tree all at once to avoid damaging everything around it. The wood chipper used in winter environments is equipped with a super powerful diesel engine capable of generating extremely high torque to operate even in low temperatures. This is a critical feature. The machine is also fitted with sharp cutting blades made from high-strength alloy steel, which offer excellent resistance to rust and wear. The stump cutter is equipped with a powerful cutting disc or grinding drum that can rotate at extremely high speeds. The cutting blades or grinding teeth are made from super hard alloy steel, offering excellent resistance to abrasion and impact. Each grinding tooth is strategically positioned to efficiently cut, chop, and shred the stump into small fragments. This machine is designed with a specialized system of tracks or wheels, which provide excellent traction on the ground and allow it to move easily even over muddy surfaces. The wheels are equipped with large treads and grooves to enhance grip. The frame is typically made from high-strength steel, which not only resists wear, but also withstands harsh conditions such as mud, water, and sharp tree stumps. The wood splitter uses the power of a hydraulic system, where the hydraulic pump generates high pressure to push the piston or splitting shaft down with immense force. This is strong enough to split even tough wood like oak or maple, types of wood that would require significant effort if using a regular axe. Wow, he's created a saw with a long arm that can cut tree branches and logs up high without needing a ladder. The ingenuity of human creativity is truly amazing, applied in every situation. However, it's important to always ensure safety for yourself and those around you. You'd be surprised to know that each step in this handmade process holds special techniques that only skilled artisans truly understand. The woodworker uses powerful saws, either chainsaws or hand saws, to cut the wood into sections that match the size of the drum. The thickness and internal structure of the wood greatly influence the sound quality of the drum. The craftsman uses large drilling and carving tools to hollow out the inside of the wood, creating a uniform drum cavity. The shape of the drum body must be perfectly balanced to achieve the best resonance. Next, the artisan uses smoothing tools and sandpaper to refine both the exterior and interior surfaces of the drum body. The wood is carefully sanded to remove any rough patches, ensuring that the drum has a flawless surface, free from any splinters or scratches that could cause discomfort when handled or worn. The drum is beautifully decorated and is used in performances or ceremonial rituals. Sawdust, a product that may seem simple, plays a crucial role in various industries, from producing energy pellets to making organic fertilizers and building materials. How does this stump grinder turn a solid block of wood into fine dust in the blink of an eye? The technology and power hidden behind this compact machine will amaze you. With the advent of modern stump grinders, this task has been significantly improved, not only speeding up the process, but also minimizing the impact on the surrounding landscape. Many modern wood chippers are equipped with smart technology, such as monitoring and automated control systems. Sensors can track the load and adjust the grinding speed to optimize performance and protect the engine from overload. Some systems can even send alerts to operators when any issues are detected, making maintenance easier and more efficient. The Petzolato PTH12000 is an ideal choice for sawmills and large-scale logging projects. Its diesel engine is capable of producing hundreds of horsepower, providing the necessary power to rotate the grinding shaft at high speeds, generating massive cutting force that can cut through tough woods like oak or pine. Another impressive feature of this machine is its blowpipe system, which ejects the ground sawdust at high speed. The pipe can be adjusted to direct the sawdust to a specific area, such as piling it into a storage yard or into trucks for transport. This helps optimize the workflow and minimizes time wasted in handling sawdust. Thanks to its mobility, this machine can operate in remote areas or logging sites, reducing the cost of transporting raw wood to processing plants. Looking at how the machine operates, one can't help but marvel at the intelligence and power that technology brings, contributing to a sustainable future in the wood processing and recycling industry. The mobile wood grinder not only changes the way wood is processed, but also opens up new opportunities for more efficient forest resource management and conservation. With calloused hands, the old man diligently felled a massive tree, each axe strike echoing through the quiet forest. A max tree saw with a cutting disc for skid steer. Equipped with a high-torque motor and sharp cutting disc, this attachment transforms your skid steer into an unmatched land clearing machine. It cuts through hardwood, softwood, and even dense underbrush in seconds, delivering precise cuts every time. A narrow mountain pass. The truck, hauling tons of timber, maneuvers through tight curves with remarkable stability. Powered by a high-performance engine generating massive torque, it features a specially designed suspension system for optimal weight distribution and unmatched traction. Every turn of the steering wheel, every press of the accelerator, everything is calculated to perfection. Witness the ultimate power of the steel giant as it hauls tons of timber across icy terrain. Equipped with heavy-duty tracks that dig deep into the snow, it ensures unwavering traction on slippery surfaces. This is the perfect synergy between mechanical power and human ingenuity. A dense forest with massive tree stumps rooted deeply in the ground evokes the challenge of clearing the land. Enter a machine equipped with a colossal root grapple, featuring powerful steel claws designed to penetrate and grip stubborn tree stumps. The performance of this machine is truly remarkable. Whether dealing with enormous stumps or deep-reaching roots, the root grapple tackles them swiftly and efficiently. It enables you to clear a vast area in just a few hours, tasks that once took weeks to accomplish. This is the ultimate tool for pioneers and land developers, turning untamed wilderness into sites ready for new projects. With the Bell's Super Log Splitter is capable of handling large diameter logs, making it ideal for heavy-duty and dense wood processing tasks. Its automatic lifting system simplifies positioning logs, significantly reducing manual effort. Built with durable materials, the machine features robust components like a steel frame and hydraulic parts designed for long-lasting performance. The Cat 321 DLCR features a reduced tail swing design, enabling it to operate efficiently in tight spaces without compromising performance. Its engine delivers ample power for heavy-duty tasks, including excavation, material handling, and breaking large structures like tree trunks or rocks. Equipped with an advanced hydraulic system, the Cat 321 DLCR ensures precise control and rapid responsiveness. The Timberjack 810B is equipped with steel-clad wheels or tracks to enhance traction on muddy and slippery terrain. This suspension and wheel system allows the machine to traverse soft ground without sinking or getting stuck. Wow, that tree has fallen, and its roots have been completely uprooted. Oh my God! The tree stump is securely fastened to the trailer using strong steel cables or chains. Proper tying techniques are crucial to ensure the stump does not slip or pose a hazard to the operator and those nearby. The Vermeer LS 3600TX is one of the most powerful industrial wood grinders, equipped with a high-powered diesel engine that can reach hundreds of horsepower, providing ample energy to crush large, thick logs. The machine features a conveyor belt that feeds the wood into the grinding system at high speed and stability. Its cutting blades or grinding drum are designed to chop and shred the wood into uniform pieces, ideal for recycling or composting purposes. The AHWI RT800 is equipped with a powerful diesel engine, often reaching up to 800 horsepower, enabling the machine to grind and shred trees, tree stumps, and dense vegetation with ease. The machine's grinding head is designed with ultra-durable steel teeth and an advanced hydraulic system, capable of shredding tree stumps and shrubs into fine debris. The Merlot Excavator features a versatile boom design that can accommodate a variety of attachments. Mounted on the boom is a specialized hydraulic grab or saw, ideal for pruning branches or handling tree trunks. This makes the machine an effective tool for forest maintenance, clearing vegetation, or managing trees in urban environments. The CBI 5400 wood chipper is equipped with a 765 horsepower engine, delivering exceptional power to quickly handle large tree trunks or large volumes of material. The CBI 5400 utilizes advanced chipping technology with a large drum and ultra-durable blades, capable of cutting and grinding wood into small, uniform pieces. The Bandit 15 XP is equipped with a powerful engine, typically ranging from 120 to 174 horsepower, providing strong chipping force to handle branches and tree trunks up to 15 inches in diameter. The high-speed rotating chipper drum efficiently and uniformly shreds the wood into fine debris. The C500 plus CAT 330 is a powerful combination of a tree-cutting head and a high-performance excavator, providing an efficient solution for tree felling and processing in forestry and construction. With its strong hydraulic system, flexible rotation capabilities, and safety-focused design, this setup ensures high productivity and reliable operation in challenging environments. The horizontal grinder is designed with a large, horizontally positioned grinding drum, equipped with robust steel teeth or cutting blades. The grinding drum rotates at high speeds, efficiently crushing and shredding material. The feed hopper is positioned either at the top or front, where material is fed into the drum through a conveyor system or hydraulic feed wheels. The machine utilizes advanced chipping technology with a large grinding drum or disc, equipped with ultra-durable alloy steel blades. The grinding drum rotates at high speeds and is adjustable to produce wood chips of varying sizes, from fine debris for composting to larger pieces for biofuel production. This system allows the machine to process material quickly, efficiently, and energy effectively. The Vermeer low-speed shredder is a low-speed chipping machine designed to efficiently and safely process tough, durable materials. With its high-torque operation, intelligent control system, and robust design, the machine helps reduce dust, noise, and operating costs. This makes it an ideal solution for industries such as waste management, construction, and recycling, where reliability and performance are key factors. Log trucks are typically equipped with four-wheel drive or six-wheel drive drivetrains, providing the necessary towing power to navigate uneven surfaces. Large treaded wheels or track-wrap tires are also commonly used to enhance traction, reduce the risk of slipping, and improve stability. The Dopstad is equipped with a high-powered diesel engine, typically exceeding 760 horsepower, enabling the machine to quickly process large volumes of wood material. This powerful engine provides the necessary torque for the drum to rotate with maximum cutting force, ensuring that even the thickest and toughest tree trunks are easily shredded. The machine is also equipped with a powerful hydraulic feed system, capable of pulling and feeding large logs into the drum with minimal manual intervention. This not only boosts productivity, but also ensures operator safety. Bobcat T770, the invincible warrior of the wild, where branches and foliage are but a mere challenge. Every limb, every canopy succumbs, crushed and cast aside, leaving behind a path so pristine and orderly, as if nothing had ever grown in this place. The SDIHL MS462 is equipped with an advanced 2-mix engine. This engine delivers 6 horsepower, more than enough to tackle large logs. Beneath the sharp chain, each layer of tough wood is effortlessly torn apart. At the event in Buxerque, it was the ultimate challenge that demanded precision, skill, and a deep understanding of advanced chainsaw models. Wow, the hydraulic system of the log grapple crane delivers impressive clamping force, ensuring a secure grip on the log with remarkable efficiency. Oh, look at how clever the operator is, using the very log to clear away the scattered branches. With just a few up and down, rotating movements of the long arm, everything is neatly organized in no time. Wow, this tool is used for cutting stumps that have been scorched after the area has undergone a wildfire or controlled burn. However, it's important to note that it's only effective for cutting smaller stumps. The forestry mulcher is a heavy-duty machine equipped with a powerful drum featuring hardened steel blades or flails. It is capable of breaking down and crushing everything from dense underbrush to small tree trunks. As the drum spins at high speed, the cutting blades tear through and shred vegetation into wood mulch, which is then spread across the ground. Yashichel, Husqvarna, and Dolmar represent some of the most powerful chainsaw brands. The most powerful chainsaws can deliver over 6 horsepower, featuring large displacement engines. Their chain blades are equipped with cutting teeth made from durable alloys, which help maintain sharpness and ensure long-lasting performance. A wood chipper processing large wood pieces helps reduce reliance on landfills, lower carbon emissions, and even repurpose excess wood for agricultural and construction applications. One of the key uses of wood mulch after chipping is as a protective soil cover, which helps retain moisture, suppress weed growth, provide organic nutrients as it decomposes, and improve soil structure. It also plays a crucial role in ecosystem protection by reducing soil erosion, creating habitats for microorganisms and small animals, and promoting the natural regeneration of trees. The wood chipper in action underscores the importance of efficient, eco-friendly wood processing methods. Wow! A worker is expertly using a chainsaw to trim a tall tree suspended by a rope in a professional manner. Essential equipment and tools: ropes and a safety anchoring system, safety harness, lightweight chainsaw. It's also recommended to wear a helmet, dust goggles, and gloves. This task requires high-level skill and a strong understanding of safety. Gravity distribution technique. When trimming, the worker must balance their own weight with the tree, always keeping the rope taut to prevent swaying or falling. Safety is an absolutely critical factor when working at heights. The biggest risk is falling, which is why workers must be thoroughly trained in the use of safety equipment and climbing techniques. Additionally, they need to be skilled in risk management, especially when working near power lines or cutting branches that could affect the tree's balance. Proper awareness and preparation are essential to ensure both personal safety and the safety of those nearby. Wow, this guy's taking down a massive spruce tree, approximately 150 feet tall, using a heavy-duty chainsaw. The spruce is one of the most common large timber species found in forests across North America, Europe, and Northern Asia. Known for their straight trunks, rough bark, and dense, strong wood, spruces are widely used in the construction industry, instrument manufacturing, and paper production.
No, 597. Really? 72. There's right point there. Yeah.
The diameter of mature spruce trees can reach up to 2 to 3 meters, requiring specialized equipment for processing. A CAT 259D equipped with the FAEE 150 mulcher head is efficiently shredding vegetation. Forestry, mulching, is a widely used technique in land management projects, forest clearing, trail creation, and land reclamation. CAT 259D compact track loader. The powerful hydraulic system of the CAT 259D provides enough force to support heavy-duty attachments like the FAE 150 mulcher. FAE 150 mulcher. This industrial-grade mulching head is designed to handle dense vegetation, from underbrush to saplings. The mulcher features hardened steel cutting blades, or high-speed flails that shred trees into fine mulch, leaving no large debris behind. The wood processing process is a complex series of steps that transforms raw logs into finished wood products, ready for a variety of applications, from construction to furniture manufacturing. Peeling and veneering stage. In this phase, logs are peeled into thin wood sheets, a critical step in plywood production. The round logs are rotated and sliced into thin layers, typically ranging from a few millimeters to several centimeters thick. These veneer sheets are then used in the production of plywood, laminated boards, or decorative interior products. Waste management and recycling. Unusable veneer sheets are collected and stored for proper disposal or recycling. Proper waste management not only helps protect the environment, but also enhances production efficiency by minimizing waste and maximizing resource utilization. The Cat D 6RXL bulldozer is working on a mountainous terrain to create terraced fields, an essential task in the development of oil palm plantations. The engine of the Cat D 6RXL delivers high power, and its track system is designed to distribute the machine's weight over a large surface area, reducing soil pressure and enhancing traction. The large adjustable blade allows the machine to easily cut and move large volumes of earth.